Samantala, sabay sa excitement ng crowd, full of confidence and energy ding, nag-host sa coronation night ng Miss Universe Philippines sina Alden Richards at Gabby Garcia. Pinusuan at pinag-usapan din yan ng netizens. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Ibang level ng confidence ang ipinakita ni Gabby Garcia sa kanyang first time na pag-host ng Miss Universe Philippines. Angat na angat ang hosting skills ng Sparkle Star na umani ng positive reviews mula sa netizens. Napawaw din ang netizens sa 5 evening gown changes. At syempre, ang energy na kailangan niyang ibigay, naging sulit naman daw sa huli.
I didn't really expect for it to turn out like that, but I made sure that I prepared for it. So it wasn't just, me appearing there and just reading the whole script. It was me preparing days before.
Pinusuan din ang picture nila ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D. Feeling ng maraming fans, passing the baton na raw ito at papasukin na ni Gabby ang pageantry. Pero ang sagot ni Gabby, it's complicated.
I saw that also. Dahil dun sa frustration ng dream ko, naging host ako bigla ng Miss Universe. I super want talaga, ever since I was a kid, and I've been very, very vocal about it.
Nagpapasalamat naman si Alden Richards sa ikalawang pagkakataon na makapag-host ng isa sa pinakamalaking beauty pageant sa bansa. Full circle daw ito para sa kanya dahil sa pageantry din siya nagsimula.
I really enjoyed hosting Miss Universe Philippines even last year. And it's a different experience, Tas kasama ko pa yung dalawang co-host ko, which is si Arbony and Jeannie Mai, na talagang nadala nila ako.
Talaga namang high energy ang ibinigay ni Asia's multimedia star that night. Pampanga! Bagay na pinuri at ikinatuwa ng netizens.
Napipikon ka ba doon sa movie?
Hindi, actually kinokollect ko siya. Kinocompile ko po siya. Hindi, pero natatawa lang akong panoorin kasi parang halos ganun din naman yung delivery ko before. Ang laki kasi nung MOA Arena, so I really had to. And then the fans are there screaming. Gusto kong sabayan yung excitement nila.
This Sunday, May 26, mapapanood ang delayed telecast ng Coronation sa Kapuso Network, 9 a.m. nationwide at 9:45 a.m. sa Central at Eastern Visayas. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Hindi pa rin daw nagsisink in kay Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo ang kanyang winning moment. Pag-amin niya, muntik siyang mag-back out sa competition. Kung bakit, ichichika ni Lars Santiago.
Oozing with confidence, yet calm, si newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines, Chelsea Manalo, sa pagharap niya sa media ngayong araw. Lalong tumingkad ang ganda ni Chelsea sa suot niyang all-red outfit. Surreal pa rin daw para sa kanya na suot na niya ang corona at sash ng Miss Universe Philippines.
It still haven't sunk in yet to my head. I still don't really feel that I have actually won. It still feels surreal, but I'm taking it day by day to grow.
Ikinuwento ni Chelsea sa GMA Integrated News kung paanong muntik na siyang mag-back out sa pageant.
There have been challenges. The resources that I had was very limited, so I had almost really quit to the point that I didn't see myself winning already.
Pero nagpatuloy dahil sa support at pagmamahal ng mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya, kabilang ang kanyang mga magulang.
My mom and my dad, they are very supportive. They have been there all throughout.
Kaya nang isigaw ni Asia's multimedia star, Alden Richards,
our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is Bulacan!
It added more shock, but when they called my name, I just had in mind was that, whoa, is that really Bulacan? Did I hear that correct? But it was so loud and clear that I had to instantly think about my parents. I thought I wanted to see them agad.
Natatawa naman si Chelsea sa reaction ng netizens sa kanyang crowning moment. Kung paano niya binalanse sa kanyang ulo ang corona nang ipatong ito ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D.
At that moment, when she put it in my head, I thought it was already fixed, that I'm already ready to walk around. But when I tilt my head, it was moving a little bit. So, it was just only a little moment. Michelle fixed it right away. We laughed on it. I am really excited to talk to Michelle about it. She's really a really beautiful queen.
Pati nga si Michelle, nag-post ng kakatuwang reaction sa pangyayari. Samantala, inihahanda na ni Chelsea ang sarili sa pagkatawan sa Pilipinas sa Miss Universe 2024 na idadaos sa Mexico.
Viva Mexico! This is Chelsea Manalo from the Philippines!
Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz Happening.
Happy Friday, chikahan mga kapuso! Feeling blessed at thankful sa Sparkle at Kapuso Network ang ilang young hunks na binansagang Boys of Summer. Signed for stardom na sila sa gitna ng kanilang life-changing experience bilang Sparkle artist. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Feel nyo ba ang cool guys ngayong mainit na summer? Sparkle's got you! Kasama sa Sign for Stardom 2024 ang ito sa Boys of Summer na sina Radson Flores, Bruce Roland, Vince Maristella, Prince Carlos, Yasser Marta, Rahil Birria at Jeff Moses. Binago raw ng Sparkle ang buhay ng mga young hunks.
Sobrang thankful din talaga ako sa Sparkle. Sobrang unexpected ng lahat ng nangyayari.
I'm very blessed na until now na may tiwala yung Sparkle sa akin.
Nagbigay si Sparkle ng ganung trust, so dapat gagalingan ko pa.
I'm just really grateful for Sparkle na binigyan ako ng chance.
And from being a shy teenager, mas na-boost ang confidence na kailangan nila para mag-grow sa entertainment industry.
Mas nagka-confidence ako sa sarili that I can do it.
They saw something that I did not see in myself before. And I grew up reserved, shy, pero I had that fire in me.
Dahil sa GMA, mas lalo ko minamahal ang trabaho ko. They live up to their name, Nakapuso. Talagang mamahalin ka nila, tutulungan ka nila.
Kasama rin sa Sign for Stardom 2024 ang actress, host at Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Winwin Marquez.
Lahat nga ng milestones ko sa buhay nangyari nung nasa GMA ako, and I'm very thankful for that.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Excited na para sa kanyang fan meeting si Korean actor An Bo-hyun. Gusto niya rin daw i-explore ang bansa, pero saan kaya niya balak pumunta? Narito ang chika ni Aubrey Carampel.
Anyong An Bo-hyun. Nasa bansa ang South Korean actor para sa kanyang Hello Asia Tour fan meeting na gaganapin bukas sa New Frontier Theater. First time daw niya sa Pilipinas at excited ma-meet ang kanyang Filipino fans.
잘 진행되고 있었다고 말해야 될까요?
I actually had a lot of Filipino fans supporting from me through the comments and through different cheering messages, and I'm really happy to see them in person this time.
Na-try na raw niya ang ilang Pinoy food na ang ilan daw ay may similarities din sa Korean dishes at nagustuhan niya. Pero excited din siyang i-explore ang bansa dahil sa kwento rin ng kanyang mga kaibigan.
Many of my friends have visited here in the Philippines and they actually love this country so much.
Saan-saang lugar sa Pilipinas kaya ang gusto niyang bisitahin?
Palawan, Boracay, Cebu, anywhere would be good for a vacation with my family.
Bago maging aktor ay naging boxer at model si Bo-hyun. Napanood ang Korean oppa sa K-drama na Yumi Cells na napanood sa GMA Network. Napanood din siya sa Descendants of the Sun bilang bahagi ng Alpha Team na si Piccolo at sa mga drama series na Her Private Life at Secret Hotel. Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.